Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Vertical, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications on this watch, either for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Suunto application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Suunto application to send the notifications to your watch. So, to do it, first open the Suunto application on the phone that is paired with your watch. Then, tap on the watch icon right here at the top of the screen. And if you don't have required permissions enabled, you will see these notifications, or rather notification, on the screen. Enable notifications for your watch. And we want to do it, so we need to tap on Enable. It will redirect you to the device and app notifications. Here you need to find the Suunto application, tap on it, and then tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access, then tap on Allow. And once you allow the notification access, then go back to the app, and the notification will be gone. Now we can wait until the watch is done syncing with our phone, and once it says connected, we can scroll down and find the option called Notifications on Watch. Tap on it. Here we can enable the notifications by tapping on the switch, and once you enable the notifications, you can also enable and disable notifications for specific types of notifications. We can enable and disable them for the messages, for the calls, and for the apps. If you tap on App Notifications, it will open the list of applications, and here we can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps. And how it works is basically, if you enable the notifications for the apps, you will those notifications, so basically, let's say the notifications for the messages are enabled, and you receive the notifications from the messages, those notifications will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, they won't be forwarded to your watch, so you'll be seeing them only on your phone. And this list will fill in automatically. So basically you will see more apps on this list later on. How it works is basically, once you install the Suunto app, it will bring you or provide you with only like couple of apps, but after you install the app and you receive some notifications from different apps, they will appear right here on the list. So for example, I'm gonna log into Discord. Okay, and now I'm gonna send myself a message on the Discord. As you can see, we received the notification on our phone, so I'm gonna tap on it, and we also received it on our watch. So now when we go to the Suunto application, the Discord will appear right here, and it will be turned on automatically. But you can turn it off if you like to. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.